Good old splash. Doing it one last time until it's gone forever. No! Classic Splash Mountain. Soon to be no more. I do not want to get wet, but this is my last chance to do this, to relive my childhood by doing the true splash. Okay, with sadness, I rode Splash Mountain for the last time. One of my favorite rides as a child, and I don't want it to end, but so happy I got to go on it. The ride was closed for like almost 2 hours today, and we thought we weren't gonna get on it before we left. And I got to ride up front, just like the very first time I rode. So, bye Splash Mountain!
Bye,
We'll miss you!
Bye, Bear Bear! Bye, Bear Bear!
Bye, Splash Mountain.